Hello, my name is Ye Chan. Oh, this is 3300 Lab digital clock, alarm clock. My requirements is I set one to reset the clock to 0, and the other one I set it so that it resets the alarm sound and it turns it off. So as you see, it's at 7 minutes. If we set these four alarm bits to the same as that, then it should turn on the alarm. I have one issue where this 7 segment signal, although the output is correct, the display it shows it's a little weird where it's showing everything instead of the right one, even though the numbers are the same. So I'll keep that in mind. We'll set it to 8 minutes. As this gets to 8 minutes, then it should turn the alarm. It goes through one cycle and then it stops. If we go to the second digit and we turn it on, I can show you the reset button. This one is a reset button, so if I turn this on, it should cancel it. So this reset button resets the alarm and turns it off. Finally, I'm gonna show the time reset. This is this switch over here. Fortunately, it should reset the clock, and it should also turn the alarm again because it's the same sound, same time. Thank you.